Hello everyone. If you want to create multiple account on your Bluestacks but you don't know how to do, this video will help you a lot because if you want to spread your work accounts, your gaming accounts, and your school account, you can get a multiple account on Bluestacks. So I will show you step by step how to do. First, open your Bluestacks on your MacBook first. You're gonna see it look like this. Okay, so what you have to do next is you need to sign in your account if you haven't signed in or sign up your account. I'm already signed in mine here. So in your site tuber, it's located on your right corner. Scroll down until you see three layers of scroll here. Okay, so this function is called BlueStack Multi Instant Manager. So here I have three, but if you want to add more accounts, how can you do? I will show you. So in your BlueStack Almighty Instant Manager, try to find Instant on your left corner here. So click Instant and there's a two option you can choose. The first one is Fresh Instant and the second one is Clone Instant. So Clone Instant will be duplicate to your first accounts, but for Fresh Instant, you can log into other account. So we're gonna choose Fresh Instant instead of Clone Instant. Okay, so here you can choose your CPU codes if you want to get high. So if you want to use for your gamings or other thing, you want to hide CPUs and memory allocation, you're gonna need very strong one, right? On for enough, if you want to just use for US code, you're gonna need median codes and standard memory allocation and resolution. Also, you don't need to put a lot, just put the lowest. Okay, so and DPI and also you can choose 160, 230, so 320, 320, whatever you like, you can choose. Here is your instant cost. You can create 1 200 accounts here. So there's a lot or multiple account you can create on your Bluestacks. If you want to suggest such as 99, there will be 99 account appear on your screen. Or not, if you just want to create two or three, whatever you like, you can type here. I'm gonna choose two here. Okay, so you can see Bluestack F5s and S's here. So what can you do is here you can also check your performance, displays, and graphic. On off, if you just want to change from here, you can also change portrait, otherwise or custom, whatever you like, you can change and you just need to save change. Okay, so if you are sure you want to create multiple accounts you want to log in, just choose one first. So if you want to start Blueshot F5, just click start. Okay, here you can see a new blue start screen here. Okay, in some case, for me, I already signed in my account with iCloud. So in some case, when we use iCloud to log in, it's automatically logging to our account. But for those who already signed in with another like Google's account, there will be new account you need to add. Here you can click your sign in and try to go a website and they will ask you if you want to log in with your Gmail. So if you're sure you want to sign in, just sign in your account here and you can see the available option for you. But for me, as I mentioned before, I'm already signing my account with iCloud for other at first, you open your account on your Bluestacks, or at first you log in your accounts on your Bluestacks, try to open with a Google account. Okay, so on off if you want to go to your other multiple account, six or four or three, your screening will appear here, and you can just log into your account as usual. This is how to create and sign in multiple accounts in BlueStack on your MacBook. It's easy and it's really comfort and flexible for the one who want to spread their work accounts, their games accounts, and their school account. This will gonna help you a lot, I think. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. See you in another video too.